Good day guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to set the time on your LG air conditioner. So you would see here that the default time is 12 a.m. So to set the time, you will see here that it's the button set or clear, but at the bottom you would see that it says time. So we're gonna long press this until the AM blinks. Okay, so when it blinks, you just have to adjust it with these buttons. Okay, so right now it's 9:51 a.m. So we're gonna set it. Just have to push this button until the time is right. So it's close. So right now it's 9:51 a.m. Oops. Okay, we're close. 9:51 a.m. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna do is to press set or clear again. And that's it.